professionals working in technical careers shared exciting messages about today's opportunities with high school students at STEM Career Connections 2017.
I love my job, and I know that I'm making a difference because I'm a part of the first new nuclear project in this country in 30 years. We are building advanced nuclear plants and haven't done that before. And the job that I do now is directly impacting the safe construction of these units. What I would recommend students do is find what you value, what you're good at, what your skill sets are, and then figure out where you want to go. And if nuclear is where you want to go, no matter what your skill sets are, you will be an asset to the company because we have such a wide range of positions that people can fill. You just have to follow your passion.
As you go through high school and you figure out what you want to do and what your passion is, there are many things you could do. And on the Savannah River site, we've got a lot of different opportunities all in one site. I go home at the end of the day and I look in the mirror and I can say to myself, you know, I've been a part of history. I've done something that's really meaningful to the country, and I've kept my family, my friends, and all the people in the United States safe.
My name is Quinn Harris. I'm 21 years old. I was in a Move On Ready program while in high school and taking classes at Augusta Technical College. And now I have a great career with Southern Nuclear out of Plant Vogtle, in which I'm a nuclear technician. We're part of maintenance, in which we do anything from surveillances to working on small equipment. And now I'm on track to making over $100,000 a year.
I think the interesting part is technology isn't everything. Well, it's important. You can choose to sit there and watch and be a spectator, or you can join and play and be part of it. And I encourage everybody to get involved in technology because it's in every job, from very small jobs to very large jobs. Technology is embedded in everything. So why sit there and watch and let it happen around you? Be part of it.
The good news for you all here today is that you're in the right place at the exact right time in history. There is so much opportunity in the world of cybersecurity right here in Augusta. You do not have to leave Augusta.
I was not born an electrical engineer. Okay, I didn't grow up thinking I was going to be an electrical engineer, but I was given opportunities. I had people in my life who were engineers and they were not special. And they told me, it's okay, you can do it just like I am doing it. I wish people would understand that it is really not all that hard. It's no matter what you do, you're gonna have to put some effort into it. But all you have to be able to tell yourself that I can do it. I have confidence in myself. And you know, the world is mine.